Hello everybody, it's Sian here again. Hope you're all ready for another song. This one is called Kumula Vista and it's a call and response song. There's lots of different versions of this song, but this is the one that I know. It goes like this. Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista. Can you have a go? Here we go. Ready, 2, 3, and Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista. And the second line goes like this. Oh, la vista. Your turn. Here we go. 2, 3, and oh, la vista. Fantastic. Let's do it this time as a call and response. I'll go first and then you sing it back. Ready? And Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista. Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista. Oh, la vista. Oh, la vista. Fantastic. 2 more lines to go. This is the next one. Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny. What? Let's try that one again. It goes like this. Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny. Your turn. 2, 3, and eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny. And the last line goes like this. Dip, diddly-odo, and dodo, and doo-da. So take a really deep breath before that last one. 2, 3, and dip, diddly-odo, and dodo, and doo-da. So if you want to hear it all together as a call and response, it sounds like this. Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Oh, la vista.
Oh, la vista.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Dip, diddly-odo, and dodo, and doo-da.
Dip, diddly-odo, and dodo, and doo-da.
In our last song, Above the Plains, we had some ostinatos, and there's some in this piece too. In fact, there's 3 in this piece. Here's David singing the first ostinato.
Ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba 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 da ba da.
Thanks, David. That was brilliant. If you like the sound of that ostinato, then follow David through the piece. Here's the second ostinato. This time we've got Jenny singing.
Ba ba da ba, ba ba da ba, ba 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 da ba da. Ba ba da ba, ba ba da ba, ba 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 da ba da.
Thanks, Jenny. We've got one more ostinato, and this one's going to be sung by Zoe. It's a little bit higher, so if you fancy using the top range of your voice, then this one might be for you. Fantastic, thanks Zoe. So you have a choice in this song. You can either choose to join in with the call and response of Kumula Vista, or you can choose one of the ostinatos to follow. The piece begins with 2 verses of the Kumula Vista call and response, followed by the ostinatos coming in one at a time. Then to finish the piece, we have 2 more verses of the Kumula Vista call and response. The second time we sing it is much faster, so watch out for that. In this piece, we also have Nick joining us on the djembe. We really hope that you enjoy singing this song. Do let us know how you get on. Take care for now. Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Oh, Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Oh, la vista.
Oh, la vista.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Dip, dilly-o-do, and do-do, and do-din-da.
Dip, diddly-o-do, and do-do, and do-din-da.
Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Oh, la vista.
Oh, la vista.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Dip, diddly-o-do, and do-do, and do-din-da.
Dip, diddly-o-do, and do-do, and do-din-da.
Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Kumula, Kumula, Kumula Vista.
Oh, la vista.
Oh, la vista.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Eeny, meeny, decimini, ooh-walla, walla, meeny.
Dip, diddly-o-do, and do-do, and do-din-da.
Dip, diddly-o-do, and do-do, and do-din-da.